DJM TV.
Over 30 years, people, generals, and all kinds of people have been mining gold in Zamfara until a governor decided that this gold, we will use it to build financial strength of the state. Our Nigeria Delta governors, I keep asking them a simple question. Did Buhari stop any of them from setting up their own oil company? For instance, a Bayelsa oil company that will be doing logistics, that will be doing storage, that will be doing filling stations. Did Buhari stop them? The law did not stop them. Did they stop us from setting ourselves and say, okay, since our illegal miners are producing and supplying Nigeria, 70% of Nigeria's AGO is coming from the region, can governors of the Nigeria Delta come together and buy this oil from these boys and further process it or do the distribution in a legal way? They are not. Did Buhari stop our governors from investing in the agricultural resource that we have? He did not. Glass is now 90% aesthetics in building. Sand is in abundance. Did Buhari stop us from setting up glass factories and using the sand that we have as a resource to create wealth? They should stop this Zamfara's gold thing. It's another means of dragging young people to misfortune.
DJM TV.
Okay, these police people came here with an unmarked vehicle. They are operating with an unmarked vehicle. These are Nigerian policemen. They are operating with unmarked vehicles on the road to harass people. Look at them here. This is their vehicle. They came in a Toyota Camry. When the law states that they cannot operate without their utility vehicle that has been duly marked. Look at all of them covering their face because they are here with an unmarked vehicle. This is the inspector in charge, harassing people on the road. Yes. So
put it well.
I'm telling you. So why are you here? Why are you here?
Put it well.
Why are you here?
It's a bunker and you must go for prison.
Are you? Are you civil defense? Are you the civil defense? Are you a civil defense officer? What are you doing here? Are you a civil defense officer?
Continue.
Are you a civil defense officer? You are operating an unmarked vehicle.
Continue.
Are you a civil defense officer? Look at what they are doing. Let's look at what they are doing.
You did what? You collect it.
Look at what they are doing.
Go straight. Drive straight and go.
Look at his name tag.
Go straight.
They are operating in an unmarked vehicle. This is an inspector, Nigerian police.
Yes. Go straight. Go straight. Don't go back. Go straight. Don't allow him to move. Don't allow him to move. Don't allow him to move.
Even if he's operating illegally, you have no authority here. You have no authority.
Let him go straight. Wait.
You are seeing what's happening in Nigeria at this time. You are still functioning with illegality, with impunity. On the face go show everywhere. No wahala. Look at them. They are entering into their unmarked vehicle. Look at, you can see. This is Nigerian police. Look, see them.
He refused to go to the police station.
Who sent you here? Where is your marked vehicle? Who authorized you to come here? Since when the police start operating with bunkering? Start arresting bunkering people? Since when?
You confirm it. Hello? Come.
You dey see them?
Wait for me, let me call them.
Arrest me.
Come.
Arrest me. You better say you don't know yourself. Look at the car. Look at them. You see the way you are operating now? If you see the way you're operating now, you are inciting violence here.
Violence. Okay, continue.
Let me get your name and number first. Don't face me. What's your name?
I'm your name.
Eh? Why are you covering your name tag? Why are you covering your name tag? Let me get your number. You are illegal here. Look at these people.
Continue. No, continue. Do it. Continue.
You people are not operating under the code. Where is your vehicle? Who sent you here? You cannot be carrying camera around pursuing people.
Don't worry, man. Don't worry yourself.
Yes, we dey live for Rumokoro flyover for Rivers State, Obiakpo local government area, where the state government been put 24 hours flyover curfew because of cult activities. He declared am yesterday night. What you dey see now na the Rumodumaya axis, where the slaughter market and the Rumodumaya local market dey, and people dey walk about. We just talked with the local government chairman, Pr0blem AK, and he say today na just to tell the people make them comply with the directive wey the Rivers State government don do, so that they go stay for their house. As they see people dey waka, then they allow people to waka, but people been tell us say for early morning this morning dem be arrest the first people wey come out, but by this time people dem still dey waka about. But if you look well, all the businesses, all the shops dem, then they closed. Shops then they closed, and security people, police, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, all of them then they ground, they enforce the curfew. Police people then they strategically location, they ensure say people comply, but people they still they walk about. This side na the Rumodumaya axis, and this one na the side we go take you to Choba. Choba now where the University of Port Harcourt University then they. So this side go take you to Choba, and this other side na the Rumalog area. Earlier we been see some security people, they tell the people they made them go back because the curfew they enforced. So this one at the Rumalog area. Rumalog area. This side will take you to Choba and the University of Port Harcourt side. And as we they see security people then they here, then they enforce the curfew. But people then they waka. If they go towards the Rumokoro area, yes, this one at the Rumokoro Koronodu area. Julius Berger, they work on the flyover where the state government they build, and as you see, I'm so that they enforce this. They tell people to go back. Some people still carry their markets come out. As you see, the shops then they locked. Every shop, every business operation, they closed. Even the banks, some of banks where they operate for this area themselves, then they closed. But the state primary school, this Okorono State Primary School Okoronodu, they open. They allow the children then come school, because schools for primary schools for Rivers State today, now today where they reopen. But now the situation where they for Port Harcourt, Rivers State, where the state government declare 24 hours curfew. Yes, this one na fire wey be the where then they burn all the stalls, all the tables the way people where they sell for the road. They been carry to sell. The state government don't want people for Rivers State say make them not they sell for road. But some people still they sell for the road, and if you see the whole place they littered. So this one na fire where them burn all the tables, benches, and stalls them. Kiosks there where they put, they sample their goods, and we see them burn them. So like you see all the businesses, shop, boutique, what have you, all of them, then they closed down. I want to take you go to primary school. This side now the famous Rumokoro bus stop. The Rumokoro bus stop, they don't shift them, and then they tell them say make them go. So everybody they waka, they go down. Yes, this school by now the pupils they don't enter, but this school they in session. This one at the state primary school Okoronodu, where the children they just resumed today. Earlier when we been there, we still see some children where they come school, but now they don't close the school gates, and so the place be. So this one now waiting they happen for Rumokoro axis of Obiakpo for Rivers State, where the state government then declare 24 hours curfew. Some of the people where they do business, they just, you know, they still hang around and then they vex. Like this one, banks and other businesses then they closed. This one at the Rumokoro axis. And how it dey happen right now. In spite of the curfew where the state government declared, people they walk about, people they walk past. But the security agents, they allow them to stand. Some people carry their market for here they pass, but they not allow them sample the market, and everywhere they littered from the activities for here.
We are mom.
All the shops they waited for here, all of them they closed down. All of them they closed down. The local government chairman said by tomorrow they're not going to even allow people to pass because they go enforce the curfew. But today they appeal to people, may they know they come out, may they obey the curfew, may they stay indoors. But all the businesses, all the shops where they around this area, even banks, they're not open. All of them they closed down. All of them they closed down. But the Julius Berger people, they see they walk, they see they go about their business. But others, they allow them waka pass, but they need to allow them stand. They need to allow them open their business. So that's what it be for here for Rumokoro area, where the state government then declare curfew. I don't carry you go around. I don't come back to the Rumodumaya market area, and this now like the headquarters of the Obiakpo local government area, because the council secretariat they down this road. The major market, the slaughter market, and the local Rumodumaya market. So now they see down the stretch of this road, and as you see, so people they walk up past. But security people say they patrol the area. They tell them, say, make them go back inside. They don't allow any business person to come and sample in good. They don't allow any shop to open. As you see, all the shops them they closed. All the shops then they closed. Shops, banks, and every other business activity they shut down. None of them open for business. Security people, both police, both civil defense, all of them they full here. Mobile police, Operation Sting police, all of them then they here. And then the local government council officers too, they go around, they enforce the curfew. That's how it be for today, Monday, 23rd of November 2020, for Obiakpo, the Rumodumaya, Rumokoro area, where the state government declare curfew because of cult activities. Because of the cult activities where they happen for a year, the state government said the Security Council meet yesterday night and then decide to declare 24 hours total curfew for this area for the next 2 weeks. 2 weeks. But this morning we see say people they walk about, they move, but they don't allow businesses to open. They just allow them to pass. Earlier we don't talk to the local government chairman, and he say by tomorrow they not go allow anybody to move. Today they just they tell them, say in case they know here yesterday say curfew day, today they use this opportunity to tell people, say curfew day for here, but make them pass, make them walk up with their leg pass. So no vehicle they pass except the ones of security people. No motor they pass, they drive along this area, and all the shops they closed. The market, the major Rumodumaya market, they closed. And so, my good people for BBC Pidgin, here we go end this live from Rumokoro, Rumodumaya axis of Obiakpo, where the River State government declare 24 hours curfew for the next 2 weeks. We're going to bring on an update of things as they happen for here and for other parts of the world. Make you check out our website for bbcpidgin.com, our Facebook handle, our Instagram and our Twitter page for more updates on what they happen for the world. And I do well say on our watch this, on our join us for this live coverage. Oga, come talk with us now. How you see this curfew where the state government impose?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Now, countryman language we they speak.
Okay. What can happen is say, you know, say, they could say if something like this won't happen, maybe they inform people. You know, like now, me they go this federal government college where my children there, and they thought that today school they resume. So now last night, now me I hear about this curfew. I can't confuse. Can't they wonder, say, now I think I take my eye, can't see. Now the school that they go now, with this curfew, I don't understand again how person the fit do these school runs for the remaining of the time where they. Now I say, make government they try. If they want to do something, they inform people so that people go ready for the thing. Thank you, my own. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Mama the mama, good morning. How you see this curfew where the state government don't declare for Rumokoro side?
Not me go talk. I been waiting like go talk.
But it not affect you one way or the other.
It affect me now. It affected me.
Yeah, they walk out from my sister. He carry baby for back.
Carry baby. I want to go enter motor. I go somewhere.
Okay.
I have something to say. I like what you done.
Good morning.
Okay, now here we go end our live. Una thank you, say una watch us. Una bye bye. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.